Should we check on her? Are you ready, Goko? You ready? You ready?
Yes, mate.
Are you ready?
Let's do this.
We're on the boat. is that going to be a thing today? Just can you let me know?
It's so funny. Guys, we're on a boat. Every rap artist who's made it has made a video on a boat. We're not rap artists, but we made it on a boat. Felt we're gonna make it. Exactly. And these others too. Say hi, guys.
Hey. Yes.
Hi.
It's alright.
Wait, why did you
Living that boat life. Living that boat life. Yeah. Oh, I don't have that. That was so scary.
15 kilometers. Very long for all three boats on either side or
Going on, back on the boat. So we're sitting in the back now, guys. We've been demoted, but in some ways, it's a good thing.
What is the little house? I prepared everything.
Good job, Gopi. Are they not going to swim to find Dutchie's hat?
Yeah, go find Dutchie's hat, guys. They're in the water already.
How'd you find it? What? Was it okay? Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to keep the review or what? Oh. Are you sure? Yeah. So if you're going to go into the cave, you might want to use this. It's up to you. I'm going to hold on to the top, so. You take one light jacket and I go with you inside and you sit on the road.
Oh. Yeah, good idea.
Do you want? After we take photo.
Hey, lads. No, she will. I will just stay here, float.
You get used to it.
Okay.
It's alright for you.
Well done, well done.
Well done, Fran. Keep going.
Well done.
Hey, you've done this before. Come on. Come on.
You're good.
You got this, Priya.
Okay. Yes,
Think of the water creature, Priya. So that you've got this.
Yeah, we're going to
See anything?
It's okay.
No. Yeah, you're good, Dutchie.
What?
Should we go?
Do it again. Because we'll be here.
Good job, Dutchie. Keep going, girl. Yeah. Dutchie. See you on your side.
Thank you. Alright, you did it.
How'd you find it?
Fantastic.
Yeah.
I have salt water. Yeah, I didn't go under the water and take a picture, but I went in the canal. I'm pretty sure I drank a lot of salt water, and Ivan's been
Do you
amazing.
want some normal water?
And I grazed myself everywhere, just saying, and everyone literally grazed themselves everywhere. But guys, you have to do it once because it's quite cool. Quite.
Do what? Where?
Do the swimming in the cave thingy in Croatia.
What's the cave called?
In Dubrovnik. What's the cave called? Over there.
Blue cave.
Blue, huh?
Blue cave.
Blue cave, yeah, it's amazing. But I think it's even more amazing if you go under the water.
Oh, that's alright.
But yeah, guys,
Well
that was
done,
good.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
Hey.
Doug, cheek.
Yes, Dutchie. Hey.
And there's Gopi.
Let's go be thumbs up. Yes, lad. Woo! Hey. You did that. Well done. Oh, how'd you find it, mate? It was brilliant, yeah?
Tell me about it.
Yes,
Hello.
It's dry out, like.
So,
It's alright.
how was the experience?
Amazing. Can't believe I did that. Can't believe I got over my fear.
Yeah.
Would you recommend this?
Yes. Yeah. Absolutely.
Yes.
Yeah.
How'd you find it?
That was excellent. Like, once in a lifetime experience. You're never gonna have an experience like that.
How was it?
It was really good.
Welcome back. I told you to cover your face. Okay, who took their trousers off?
I did. I'm definitely wearing it. And I can confirm.
With you guys.
Oh, yeah, recording now. I'm not gonna have to like see that. I did the GoPRO Hero. I did this. Yeah. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe risotto with scampi and arugula.
Do you know what that is?
Risotto with scampi is a type of dish.
With arugula.
Scampi is a type of dish.
Let's get something new.
Lamb chops.
Hey. Fish smells amazing.
Woo!
Yeah. Yeah. For your pot.
So we're on our way to the Botanic Gardens. Should be really good. Yeah, because Akshay also really wants to see it. So yeah, it should be good, man. Shit. Yeah, so we're leaving now because we wasn't too impressed with it.
I'm sorry, I'm freaking this out.
Here we are. We're here. We're queer.
What?
Sorry, I didn't say that. So we got a golf cart ride to the beach. I thought it was for free. And then this cheeky guy said 15 kroner per person. I'm like, what the f? So we had to pay for that one.
Were you like recording us talking?
Are you sure? It's alright, it's alright.
No, please.
Go ahead.
That's pressure. Let me get in on my own time.
Take your time, take your time. Well, just about in the water.
About getting there.
Just about. Now it's just Gang 2019. For f***'s sake. No. Oh no, it's just not working. It's going, man.
It's very sweet. It just says it says Algang. Algang. Algong.
This came about because we were talking about how I'm scared to swim in the water and stuff. Yeah. And he was saying you should just cross the water. So he's swimming. No.
Back to the shore, I guess. Yeah, so yeah. Cheers guys, cheers. Woo.
want to stay here.
You want to stay?
Yeah.
Oh well, sadly. I'm afraid. How was it, bro?
Brilliant.
I didn't know. You should go to Panorama.
Oh.
Thank you very much. It's very good. It's very good. Yeah.
It was a risk worth taking.
Thank you, Ivan. Thank you.
Thank you.
See you soon, Ivan.
Bye.
Thank you. Back home we go. And it is another beach day.